Okay, it's January 6, 2021, and as promised, we're back at Markover Hunting Preserve in Danielson, Connecticut, and we're here with my dog Bing, and he's in the clubhouse now staying warm. And for a January day, it's pretty nice out. We're out once again with Aileen Lavoisier, who's our normal guide here, and she's also the breeder who we purchased Bing from, and two other dogs as well. So she's a good friend of ours now and everything. And looking out over the cover, it looks pretty good for January. It's probably in the mid-30s, and we're hoping for a good hunt. She's out there now planting the pheasants. Like I said, Bing is in the clubhouse staying warm. He's 11 years, going to be 11 years old in a couple of weeks, so we take it easy on him. We give him a break. But he is a superstar. Speaking of Bing, there he is. He's 11 years old now. We bought him right here 8 or 9 years ago from Aileen after she showed us him in action. And like I said, he's been a superstar. We're approaching 400 birds shot over this dog. Not all by me, of course, but me and my friends. And that's my wife Pat holding him, and you can see he's raring to go. Right, Bing?
Raring
okay.
to go.
Okay, Bing's doing his thing here. You notice he's a very fast-working, aggressive dog still. Yeah, the cover looks pretty good.
Not bad. It's still want to run.
Yeah. Well, get in.
Bad.
You're looking birdie there.
You never know. We had a couple fly over this way yesterday.
Well, it's a nice breeze, so for him to work with. So, oh, whoa, Bing! Whoa, whoa, Bing! There he is, rock solid. That's his point. That tail isn't too bad, Aileen.
No, it isn't.
Okay, it's got to be right in there. Okay, move up a little, Bing, if you want.
Maybe easier from the other side.
Okay.
I'll follow you.
Okay, I'm going to come in from the other way. Okay. Bird's buried under this tree.
Oh. Got out there on us.
Okay, we've got Bing working this cover here. Whoop, he's on point. Okay, let's see what we got here. want to get it. I don't want to get it into that woods, so.
You want me to go this way?
Yeah, why don't you come that way?
I'll push this. I think it's right. It is. It's ready to go out there. You ready?
Yep. Good boy, Bing. Good dog. Atta boy. Nice work, Bing. Atta boy. Good dog. Gives up the bird a lot easier than he used to.
Good job.
Thanks.
Good job.
I got Bing on point again. That's the Bing point. Nice straight tail like that. Let's see what we got. Hope this one doesn't run. Now he's looking around already. He's on point again. Yeah, I've got a running bird again. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, when he's moving like that, it's running.
Yeah.
See, he's doing a stealth mode. He's in what I call stealth mode. In here somewhere.
Yeah, it's in here. He's looking further.
He's frantic now.
Get behind you. Oh.
No. All right. That was a pretty solid hit.
Yeah, that was good.
Good boy. Good boy, Bing. Nice job. Nice job, Bing. Good boy. Okay. Nice job. Let's have that bird. Good boy.
I think there were fresh trucks coming this way.
Really?
Maybe it's more than one in there.
No easy shots today, Aileen.
No, it's difficult today. It's been difficult. It gives the dog every test.
Yeah. Well, fortunately we got him.
Yeah.
You know, he's seen it all.
Yeah, he gets it.
But I mean, last time they were planted. They just wouldn't move. This
They've
time,
been that way for,
oh yeah.
I just, every month is almost like a different type of line. Oh yeah, that one was over there. Yeah. It was on it.
Yeah.
We do have another one if we go up this way.
You know, because if they don't move, he locks.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it's just, you know, you gotta, you know, you could blow him up with dynamite.
I know. Well, then
But if they're running, he goes, you can see
he
when.
has to know to do that or
Yeah.
else he'll never
Yeah.
do it.
But when you see him like in that, what I call stealth mode.
Yeah, and he knows.
Yeah.
Otherwise, those running birds, dogs that don't do that won't ever find.
No. See, I didn't even have to tap him. He knew to relocate.
Yeah, he knows. He knows how far away they are and all that. Probably.
Good thing we got a breeze. If we didn't have a breeze today, we'd never find him. Okay, we're pursuing another running bird here. Thing is in stealth mode. Where is he? Oh,
Beautiful dog work on this one.
that was really good, wasn't it?
Yes. See how far he tracked that thing?
Can't fool Bing.
No.
Bring it here, Bing. Oh,
No. Uh-oh. Here's someone.
look. Went down
Boy,
pretty.
Bing, this is a tough day, huh?
This was probably the most difficult one I've had in the last 4 or 5. It's a good thing we had Bing today because these birds were not holding. They were running and busting. We put 6 birds out. I missed one. I missed the first one. One of them ran along, busted in the woods, never had a shot. And I got the other 4, but I'll tell you, this wasn't easy. And if we didn't have this guy, I don't think we would even found some of the birds. He did an outstanding job. He's a little tired now, but he's doing pretty good. And that's my gun, the one I usually take, the Beretta 390 semi-auto. Did a pretty good job today. I did miss one though. And Aileen and Pat, say hi. Aileen was my guide today. Does a great job for us as usual.